Hello, I'm Nurarchon and today I show you how to use my menu creator. I will use a test mode made by DC number 8. So let's start by loading the ini file of the mod. Then we can start with adding some menu elements. Let's add a background first. Let's move it and scale it. Let's add then the image that we're going to use. Okay, now let's add 3 circle toggles as we're going to use 3. We have 3 elements that are toggleable and we'll use a circle image. So to match the hitbox with the image, we add circle toggle. The tool will tell you what you're missing, so let's add like circle hover, add 2 more, and now let's move them. You can toggle a grid with shift, so it's easier to place the things apart in the same place. Okay, we can also scale them. You can toggle a aspect ratio lock while with pressing C while you're in the size edit mode. Ignore this, there's some bug in the version of the tool that I'm using. It's not going to be like that in the released version. Okay, we have also 2 shape keys to play with, so let's add sliders. And each slider requires a cursor, so let's add 2 cursors. Fuck. One, two. Let's load the images. And set the toggle sum out for the tail to 2. Or actually, let's wait with this. Let's use the menu for the sliders. And for the cursor we have special picks. Okay, now I'll show you. Okay, let's name the elements. This is cat. Let me scroll down a bit. I forgot to reset the ini file, so it's scuffed. Okay. Let me actually change the file. Okay. Now let's get back to the work. You can see that I changed the name of the element. It adds if for the element that has comment corresponding to the element. Now we have tail, so let's add tail. There's also tail spike, so when I change this and pause the reset, it will add tail spike. You can change the condition there. Let's set it to 2. It shouldn't go up, it's currently broken apparently, but it works as you can see. You can also disable this feature. Now when I reload the ini, it's gone. Okay, let's get back to the sliders. Let's name them the way we have named the files. It works by declaring the resources, so you have to name them in a certain way. I have named them breast slider sorry, breast position and hips position, so I just named them breasts, and the type of the shape key slider will add the position dot bar. Okay, for sliders to work, you need to set the parent to the cursor. So let's name the cursors first, so we know which one is which. We can set them. Okay, you have to set default body position resource and the verts amount. You can find them there. Okay, now everything should be set up for the sliders. You can also change the keybinds there for the menu and for the reset toggle. You can also add a directional toggle if you have more than one actually toggles. You can go, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can go 2, 3 or 2, 1 by clicking left or right side of the toggle. It will highlight the side you're currently hovering over, unless you add a on hover, then actually it will work with this too, but then it will also change the image to whatever image you provide whenever you hover over the toggle. Or you can add enable directional hover and it will change for image left, image right. But yeah, we don't have those, so let's just leave it like that. There's also the drag zone template. You can add it and scale it, so you can move the menu inside the game. You can hide it there. There are also groups, so it's easier to separate stuff. And there are also pages. You can add page 1, page 2, and you can also add groups there. And when I move stuff here, maybe let's do it in a different way. Let's move slider stuff here. You can name the group actually, so it makes sense. Instead of 1 and 2, let's make a group named toggles and group 2 sliders. Those are toggles and sliders are here. And leave the menu background here, as it's always visible. Okay. And save the file. Shoes is missing, but why is there shoes in the first place? I'm not sure, but might be wrong key in that file loaded in, so let's remove that. Actually I know why. From my previous attempt to record, I left it there, but there are no shoes, so it doesn't work. Okay, now we're on the first page. You can see that it's slightly misaligned compared to the app, as I'm currently reworking things, so it's broken. But yeah, it won't be like that in the version of the tool that is public. Let's see if it works. It does. As you can see, we can go left and right and toggle the stuff. And when we press square bracket, we can change the page, and now we have the sliders and they also work. Here there's the drag zone, you can move the thing, you can press 0 to reset the toggles and sliders. And yeah, that's the default usage of the tool. For more advanced users, they can edit types and add their own things, but you need to understand INI and then you have to understand my best, so good luck with that. You might just want to ask me for help, but yeah. Templates, you can add more with the types that are already there. You can then select default image and default size. So yeah, there's stamp tinting, but it's poorly visual as of now. You can select color and yeah, but I haven't added saving tinted images yet, so yeah. Okay, I think that's the most important things. You can also change the square brackets to whatever you want here. You could also make it a key, and then it will allow you to change the key here. Yeah, but I think I might not have considered that you might need multiple keys in a single type, so I don't think you can add more, as currently key has a special treating and it will allow you to press whatever you want and yeah, and name it. I mean convert it to its virtual key counterpart. But actually, let me check something. Maybe it will work even though it will be not labeled. Fucking blind. There's also this V7 fallback. It's for Gimme, as currently Genshin requires many modders to roll back their Ximi to V7 to be able to play, so yeah. Ximi has some features that Gimme V7 doesn't, so yeah. It's required for the menu to work for everyone on V7. Alright, let's check page handling, and yeah, it won't work. I'll have to change that later. But yeah, that's it, I think. Actually, there are settings for the appearance of the tool, autosave interval in minutes, and updater. Not sure whether it's there by the time I'm going to upload this video, but you can also save your layouts or the whole project. You can clear it here and it will back up if you select this. Let me show you. Test mode video. Clear. Everything is cleared. Apparently not everything, not sure why. It might be as those are sections that I default, so I'm not sure whether I've changed how I treat them or not, but yeah. Let's load it back. Yeah, it says non-default almost, so yeah, it's on me. I just forgot how it works. Okay, And we have this back. You can also change stuff here. It supports percent, so yeah, it will convert automatically. Or just type the pixels. Okay, this is offset from the parent, as you can see here. If I move the parent, okay, it should move the child along with the parent. Not sure why it's not working. Maybe it's also it's in the different page. It's dev build, so it's bugged. But it should work in the publicly available version. Anyway, that's it. Hope you find the tool useful and easy to use. Feedback is always welcome, and report bugs if you find any, please. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you later.